Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Fort Defiance local and long distance movers near me. Have you made up your mind about relocating? Relocation is a big decision that has a lot of impact on your finances, physical, and mental being. No matter the distance, relocation is stressful and requires a high level of preparation. When moving, you make several decisions, and the actual process of sorting, packing, and transporting your belongings is physically and mentally exhausting. There is a way out of stress and anxiety when moving. You need to involve the services of a moving company. A moving company has adequate experience and expertise to assist you in planning and conducting a stress-free move. In Fort Defiance, AZ, the best moving company to hire is 3 Movers. We provide the best cheap Fort Defiance, AZ local and long-distance moving services. We deliver exceptional moving services and we are affordable. You should check out our moving packages. Our moving services are flexible and we design them just for you. 3 Movers is fast, efficient, and reliable. We are readily available to take total charge of your move regardless of how far you are moving or how short your timeline is. We have the right moving equipment, staff, and excellent work ethics. When you are moving over a distance of 50 miles and above, it is a long distance. A long-distance move can be an interstate move or an intrastate move. The former is a move that goes across state lines, while the latter is a move that happens within a state. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fort Defiance moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.